Hey guys, Gus here. It's Thursday, 5:51 after work. There's been quite a few downpours in the past couple of days, massive downpours, and figured we'd go check out the power lines. There's some nice little rivers there that we usually cross that I'm pretty sure they must have swollen quite a bit. So we figured we'd go check them out. I'm riding with Mark's got his new XMR with him, and just gonna go under the power lines and see what it looks like. See you in a bit. We just entered the power line trail, and from what I gather, from what I've seen getting here, there's quite a bit of water in the trail, so I'm thinking these little water swamps will be quite high. I don't know, maybe a little over 10 kilometers of power lines, muddy power lines. Yeah, the water's going to be high. You see it up front there. Pretty damn sure we might not even be able to cross the rivers. Not really because of the depth, but because of the current. We'll see. It's hard to tell. Sure does push water though. Big wave in front of its quad. Yes, sir. This next section should be quite a bit deeper. The second half of it anyways. Stay off the right. You gotta it's gotta stay off the left hand side. Deep. afraid to lose your key or what?
Well, if I get off it this time, it's gonna stop.
Yeah. I don't know if we'll be able to cross the river. We'll see. A beaver dam that early this year early this year I could cross it, but now we can't. The beavers rebuilt it, and it had gotten trapped, and the dam was nobody was maintaining it anymore. No creatures, no beavers, so it lost a lot of water. Fairly deep. One over there is going to be deep too, but nothing compared to the beaver dam, which is just you can't cross. I just pick a trail in the woods. The other day we made our own trail. Of course, unless somebody this is quite a bit deeper now today. Hey, she's fucking deep, huh? I've never seen that deep. We're gonna have to go around the beaver dam again. high!
Yeah.
Holy tabarnak! Let's see if we can... Put it low, 4x4, and away we go. We might not be able to cross here either with the water level. Maybe it's flooding, like, who knows? Just about to find out, though. Yeah, we're good. See how efficient that dam is? It stops the water completely. Look at that. The water is fucking... Yeah, I've never seen this deep too. Hey, that's deep. Is that a tree? Oh, it's cut. Yeah, they really messed this one up. Not bad. Summer, I doubt we'll be able to pass there, especially if it rains a lot. They'll just keep